You're trying to edit a PDF file for a long time and you're unable to do so. If you're trying to edit and add few things in your PDF and you're unable to do so, this tutorial is for you. You're going to make it absolutely easy for you, and you can simply convert your PDF into Word, and then you can again convert Word into PDF after the editing. So let's say this is a PDF file and I want to edit it. Because this is a PDF, I cannot edit anything. All right, so we will convert it to Word and then we will convert again into PDF. So open your browser and type I love PDF and hit enter. You will find the best results, ilovepdf.com. This is a great site to do these kind of things. And here we have PDF to Word. The fourth option is PDF to Word. So we will click on that and we will select PDF file and we will go to desktop since our file is there, and we will select open and we can see the file is there, and no OCR, convert to Word. Now it's converting and it has already converted. Now download the Word file. So I can see it is downloaded and I will open it. And now I can add things, I can change things, whatever I feel like. I'll click on enable editing. I will add few things. Also changed to think. So once you're done with the editing and changes, you can simply click on save as, and this time we will save it to this PC. On desktop we will give a name like Harry, and we will save it on the desktop. So now this is saved. Now we will go back to the desktop and we can see the Word is there, the Word file. Now we will again go to I love PDF. We will click on this icon and then Word to PDF. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th option here is Word to PDF. Select Word files. I'll select my file Harry and I will click on convert to PDF. It is done. It says Word file has been converted to PDF. I'll click on download PDF and I can see the PDF has been created successfully, and now I can share wherever I want. So if you find this tutorial helpful, useful and easy, please hit the like and subscribe, and do leave a comment whether you are able to convert PDF to Word, Word to PDF or not. I'll be glad if you do so, if you let me know in the comment section, because the comments really motivates me. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.